Welcome back, student. Welcome back to your class 4 GK class. So today we will start again one another class that is from your GK book, and go to page number 7, and today we will start a new chapter, that is chapter number 3. I hope you have already learned chapter number 1 and 2. So today again we will start this chapter number 3. Chapter name first you have to read it, that is National Wildlife Parks and Sanctuaries. So first you have to know that is the what is the national wildlife parks and the sanctuaries. So there are so many wildlife sanctuaries and the parks also in India. They have consist of amazing plants and animals. Actually, national wildlife parks meant they are the national or environment or the nation things which we are conserved there. And wildlife park, that means a large enclosed area where the land where wild animals they can relatively and freely they can move there. Okay, and also we can see the sanctuaries, national wildlife sanctuaries, that means where the animals habitat and their surroundings are protected from any sort of disturbance. Okay, they are freely and lively, they can live over there. So we can they help to protect and preserve the wildlife of India. So we visit these places and to enjoy the wildlife in this real and natural habitat. So what we have to do, that is recognizing the following national wildlife parks and sanctuaries of India by their given locations. Write their names in the given blank spaces. You may use this help box. Okay, so first we have to know that is the which places and which animals are famous. So first you can see that is the number 1, that is Uttarakhand, and you can see the picture of tiger. Okay, and here the one point that is famous for tigers. So which national park is famous for this tiger that is situated in Uttarakhand? Okay, I just want to say that is Jim Corbett National Park. Jim Corbett National Park, it is situated in Uttarakhand, and it is very famous national park, and it is famous for the tigers. Okay, so question so your number 1, that is D, option number D, that is Jim Corbett. Check the spellings also, all of you read the spellings. BETT, Jim Corbett National Park. Okay, next number 2. So number 2 you can see the picture of rhinoceros, and here that is the clue, that is famous for rhinoceros, and it is in Assam. Okay, so in Assam, which national park is famous? Yes, that is E, option number E, that is Kaziranga National Park. It is in Assam. It is government given this famous for heritage national park, this national park. So it is famous for one horn rhinoceros. It is famous for one horn rhinoceros. It is in Assam. So I'm writing on the board, that is 2E, it is Kaziranga, KAZIRANGA GA, Kaziranga National Park. Next, number 3. It is in Karnataka, and the clue is famous for also tigers. So you can see where it is. The number 3, it is Bandipur National Park. Okay, it is in Karnataka and famous for tigers, and it is Bandipur National Park. So number 3, it is FBA. It is famous for tiger. Bandipur National Park. Okay, next, number 4. You can see it is in Gujarat, and the clue is famous for Asiatic lions. It is famous for Asiatic lions. So where it is in Gujarat, the national park is, we already know, all of you know that Gir National Park. It is in Gujarat. It is very famous for Asiatic lions. Okay, so in this national park, Gir National Park, there we can see these Asiatic lions. It is famous for them. So number 4A, situated in Gujarat, that is Gir, GIR National Park. Okay, rest of 2. Number 5, that is in Rajasthan, and the clue is famous for migratory birds. Okay, migratory birds. So it is in Keoladeo Ghana National Park. It is in Rajasthan. Okay, so it is famous for migratory birds. These birds are coming in a near particular season, and they are very nice. So it is number 5. It is in Rajasthan, that is B, Keoladeo, KEOLADEO Ghana, GHANA National Park. And the last one, that is Kerala, and the clue is famous for elephants. Kerala, and only one thing, that is Periyar National Park. Periyar National Park, it is famous for elephants. So it is in Kerala. So last one, it is C, Periyar National Park, PERIYAR, Periyar National Park. Okay, so it is our today's chapter, and you can see in your book, that is a small box, you can see some other national wildlife parks and sanctuaries are, that is number 1, Pench National Park in Madhya Pradesh, number B, Ranthambore National Park in Rajasthan, and number C, Kanha National Park in Madhya Pradesh, and number D, Bandhavgarh National Park in Madhya Pradesh. So these are some others national wildlife parks and also sanctuaries. So you can see these places are famous for these animals, particular these animals. So you can visit there and see these natural habitat and these locations. So today we have learned this chapter number 3, and all of you just read it properly, these chapter and just recall it. So it is our today's class. Next day or next classes we will start another chapter. So till that time, students, tata and goodbye.